Good morning. Today I'm going to go over some of these calculations for the salt marsh harvest mouse algebra practice. I'm just going to do a couple of these. What we see is we have a formula here. Salt marsh harvest mouse frequency equals number of mice per kilometer square. And that's what these calculations are. We're going to solve for each one of these variables at some point here. These are different sites in the South Bay near San Jose. So I'll do this first one. X equals 25 over 3. So that's 25 mice divided by 3 kilometers squared. And this one's pretty straightforward, right? You don't really have to do anything other than 26 divided by 3, which gives us 8.6, so on. I'm just going to go 8x equals 8.6, but then I want to put the units here. And what I'm talking about is mice per, that's what that slash is, kilometer squared. So you're going to not just give me the answer for all of these, you're going to give me whatever units are relevant. All right, let's do another one. Let's do number 4. This one's a little bit more involved. So we have 0.25 equals x divided by 8. Well, I have to get that x by itself. And the way I do that is, since I'm dividing by 8, I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. That means I can cross out these 8s and just leave x. X equals 8 times 0.25 is 2. But 2 what, right? So if it's on top here, that is the number of mice. So I can say 2 mice. Now what about if the x is on the bottom here? So let's do number 8. 3 equals 15x. I'm going to do this one a little bit differently. On this one, I'm going to cross multiply, which is pretty much the same that I did over here, but it just looks a little different. So to cross multiply, put this over 1. 3 times x, that's 3x, equals 15 times 1 is 15. And now I just have to isolate the x and get the x by itself. So in order to do that, I'm going to divide by 3. Divide by 3 here, so I can cross out or cancel out those 3's. That leaves me with x equals whatever 15 divided by 3 is, which is 5. But again, I need some units. So if it's on the bottom here, what I'm talking about is kilometers squared. So km squared. All right, those 3 examples should get you through the rest of these on your own. Thank you very much.